Beauties, I was at the drugstore the other day and I spotted some new drugstore makeup from Wet n Wild. It's the Date or Dominate collection and it looks so beautiful. I couldn't resist picking up some items from this new makeup 2024. You know what? I'm the one that can't resist a lip kit, and there was a lip kit. So I wound up picking up a lip kit. There were two lip kits to choose from. I got the Date and Tell lip kit. I also got the palette. Again, there are two palettes, but I got this one here, which is the Dominant Tricks. And then I also got this gorgeous looking liquid highlighter, and it also came with a beautiful little sponge. So I'm going to test those out today with you, beauties. Let's put together a look, have some fun, play with makeup. So hopefully you're here for it. So without further ado, let's dive into this testing out new makeup 2024. So here's the palette right here. I figure we'll use the palette first. Hopefully there's not going to be a lot of fallout because I did already put on my foundation and my setting powder and the whole 9 yards. So have you seen this collection at Walmart or at your drugstore? Let me know down below. I saw it at CVS. That's where I picked mine up. But let me go ahead and dive right in. I'm just going to take this Morphe brush here. This is the Morphe M433. And I'll just dip into this color first. It looks pretty neutral. And I'll just tap off the excess to make sure there's no fallout. Oh, that's really beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is very, oh, there is some fallout though, so that's not good. But aside from the fallout, this is a beautiful color. This is very reminiscent to me of the MAC Wedge color that I love so much, which does retail for $19. Actually, it was on sale for $19. It was actually more than that. So this is a great deal just because this color is an exact dupe for that MAC Wedge. And then I'm going to take my smudger brush and just smudge that same color under my lower lashes just to make everything symmetrical. And now I'm going to take the next deeper shade in the palette, and I'm just going to tap that on the outer portion just to build up some intensity. But how beautiful is that? Wow, this is exactly like the MAC palette that I love so much. It really is this is actually performing exactly like my MAC shadows that I'm kind of obsessed with. This is exactly like it. Just smudge a little bit more of that same shade on just the outer portion of my eye here. Now, also in this palette is a sparkly black shade and a sparkly silver shade. So I'm just going to take some of this silvery gray and just pop that on my lid. So beautiful, seriously. This is absolutely gorgeous makeup. And I actually got all this free because I had coupons, and so they gave me those beauty bucks, and so I wound up getting all of this makeup free, which was amazing. And now I'm just going to take some of the black shade and just put it on a kind of a liner brush, and I'm just going to do a little winged liner with this black shade. Wow, so beautiful, so pigmented. Well, this is not harsh whatsoever. It actually looks like you've been blending and blending to get this look, but it just comes out like that on its own. Normally, a lot of shadows or liner, you have to do a lot of blending, but this gave the blended look just alone by using the powder. So that's really beautiful because it's just very soft and it's not harsh. Even though it's a black shadow, it just came out so beautifully. So this palette is seriously amazing. I'm literally shocked. And just to make things a little more dramatic, I'm just going to add some liner. So I'm just taking a cream gel liner here and tight lining my waterline. And I just want to wet that silver shadow, so I wet it just now with some setting spray, and I just want to see if it comes out more intense, and it definitely is. It looks totally foiled now and absolutely gorgeous. So if you want a little bit more drama and a little bit more glam, definitely wet that shadow because it will come out so beautiful for you. So I'm going to put on some mascara and lashes now, and then we'll play with the other products. So now I have this liquid highlighter. It's another one of these little kits that they came out with because you get the highlighter and you also get this adorable little sponge. So it does have a flat back to it. So I love that. It makes it super easy to press the product into your skin. And this packaging is just so beautiful. All of it. I love the pink and the lips and everything. So look at that. It comes with this really nice doe foot applicator to apply the highlighter. And I'm just going to swipe some on and see. So it is very easy to apply with that applicator, and then you take the sponge and just press it in. So what do you guys think? I'm not really sure how I feel about it. Just because I really don't like too much highlighter right now. But it is beautiful. Let me try it here. I think it would look gorgeous in the like using it like in a tear duct and things like that. Yeah, that's beautiful on the nose. I think I just have texture on my cheeks, and so the highlighter is not doing me any favors. So, but otherwise, it's very nice because see on the nose, I do like it. Even in the tear ducts, it's beautiful. It's blinding for as an eyeshadow. So that's really great. Actually, I would layer that over the shadow and it would really pop. Let me go ahead and try that. Why not? I think it will really make it even more luminous. Yes, beautiful. Yeah, in this area I have texture, so I don't really like it there for that reason. I don't know. I don't think it's the product because I do like it on my nose and on my eyes and things like that. So just here, but I like it here. So here though, it's kind of breaking up the makeup, and so this isn't my favorite look. So I have here the lip kit, and you know I have tried Wet n Wild lip products before, and they're so good. So I'm very excited to try this. So let's go ahead and test it out. First, this is the lip liner. It's very creamy, beautiful color. And then here is the lipstick. Oh, you guys, I'm so happy. This is more of a nude tone. I thought it was going to be, I don't know why, from the outer packaging, I thought it was maybe burgundy, but it's not. It's nude. It's gorgeous. This is how the makeup looks in the natural light. This is the same day I just went outside and was getting ready to take some pictures, and so this is how it looked though in the light, in the sunlight, and I absolutely love this makeup so much. I have to tell you, it lasted so long. The lip kit, the lip liner, and the lipstick lasted so long. And you know, I wasn't sure about this highlighter at first because it was not really blending well over my powder products. So if you do pick up this highlighter, just be aware that it might not blend well on powder, so use it on bare skin and then go in with your powder. But this is how the makeup looks outside. Beautiful. Love this collection. Cannot believe how gorgeous it is, and especially how affordable. So beauties, this is the finished look. I am so glad that I picked this makeup up because it is truly beautiful. I wasn't anticipating it was going to be this beautiful, but I thought it would just be fun to try out and play with. But it's actually drugstore better than high-end. Seriously, absolutely gorgeous colors. Definitely will be wearing this palette again on the regular. Even when I first saw it, I said, because I really I don't go out a lot, let's put it that way. So I said, where am I going to wear these glam colors? But this is wearable, you know, without the lashes, and just mascara is a very wearable everyday look, although I did add the lashes to bump up the glam. But you definitely don't have to. You could take it either way. You could layer that black shade all over your lid and do a beautiful smoky eye. So this palette can take you from day to night. The lip kit, stunning. So this is a great collection. I hope you can get your hands on it because I did get the last one of each one that I got was the last one. So, you know, I'll look for it online. I'll have it linked down below with the shop with YouTube feature. Hopefully you beauties can pick something up from this collection because it is so good. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you beauties are all doing good. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more beauty reviews, beauty content, and fashion fun too. So I hope you dolls are all doing good, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.